January 4th. We'll start with today's COVID-19 numbers. Well, today, Newfoundland and Labrador has 493 new cases of COVID-19. Of the new cases, 267 are located in the Eastern Health Region. There are 57 in the Central Health Region, 33 in the Western Health Region, 125 in the Labrador-Grenville Health Region. There are also 11 cases that are a result of testing completed by a private lab outside of a regional health authority. There have also been 164 new recoveries in the province, and there are 3,254 active cases of COVID-19, and there's one person in hospital. In other news, today is back to school day for children across the province, but due to the increase in the number of COVID-19 cases, back to school means back to virtual learning. Education Minister Tom Osborne announced last week that students would not be returning to class this week. While classes are beginning virtually, they will be evaluated on a weekly basis. And finally, snow is occurring on the Avalon Peninsula, the Burin Peninsula, Clarenville, and the Bonavista Peninsula. Snowfall amounts will vary widely from across the region, with amounts ranging from 2 to 15 centimeters. Winds will gust from 60 to 70, making for blowing snow and reduced visibility. By early this evening, conditions will come to an end. I'll have more details in your weather forecast, which is coming up right after this.
We were getting married in the most beautiful rural setting. My mom got sick and couldn't be with us for our big day. I was heartbroken. Thankfully, we discovered ExploreNet. They responded right away and connected us to high-speed internet. Our big day was incredible because it felt like Mom was there.
ExploreNet. Connect to what matters.
In your weather forecast, we are talking about snow, and we are talking about the next weather maker on the way as well. We'll start out with the latest weather alerts in effect. Right now, there is a snowfall warning in effect for the St. John's metro area and a winter storm warning for the Avalon Peninsula southeast. That's the snow that we're seeing now, and that snow will come to an end as we head through this evening. In the highest amounts, we could see 15 centimeters. And then you'll notice we do have a special weather statement back across portions of central and western Newfoundland. As we head through Wednesday night through to Thursday, we're going to see a warm-up and we're going to see significant rain, which will also lead to significant snow melt, and we could see over 30 millimeters of rain. So back to the short-term forecast, the road conditions this afternoon. We are seeing some snow-covered roads for portions of the southern Avalon and the metro region. There is travel is not advised in the Salmonier Nature Park to Paddy's Pond area. So if you do have any travel plans this afternoon, you might want to keep that in mind. The short-term forecast overnight tonight, it is going to be cold. St. John's tonight, we are looking at snow coming to an end this evening and an overnight low of -10. It'll feel even colder because the winds will be coming from the northwest, 40 gusting to 70. In central Newfoundland tonight, there is a chance of flurries this evening and an overnight low of -14. And in Corner Brook tonight, we are looking at flurries or snow squalls with 2 to 5 centimeters possible. Moving on now to the forecast for the province for tomorrow. It's going to be nice, but it's going to be cold in Labrador. We're looking at sunny skies in Nain of -20. Sunny skies expected for Happy Valley Goose Bay as well. And as we head into western Labrador, it will be a couple degrees cooler, and we are looking at sunshine. And then for Newfoundland, a bit of a different story. It's going to be unsettled for some areas. Back across the west coast, we are looking at some flurries. There is the potential that we could see some snow squalls as well from Port aux Basques through to Corner Brook, and probably as far north as Grossmorn. On the northern peninsula, it will be windy, but we are looking at a mix of sun and clouds, so we could see some blowing snow in those areas. And then for the south coast tomorrow, Marytown, once again, we are looking at flurries with the risk of snow squalls. It will be nice in central Newfoundland with mostly sunny skies, temperatures around -3 or 4. And on the Avalon tomorrow, there is a chance of flurries and a high of -1. So the forecast now for your Wednesday. St. John's, we are looking at a mix of sun and cloud to start. There is a chance we could see some flurries, maybe even a snow squall in the afternoon. Highs near -1. Then we do have that weather maker coming through on Thursday. A high of 8 degrees expected in St. John's, and we are looking at some rain and some wind. Overcast conditions is expected for your Friday. And then as we head into Gander, tomorrow we are looking at mostly sunny skies and -3. And then once again unsettled for Thursday rain, windy, and 9. Friday, a mix of sun and cloud, and -5. And then finally for Corner Brook tomorrow, we are going to see 2 to 5 centimeters. We could see a bit more depending on the intensity of any snow squalls that develop. Thursday, looking at rain, windy, and a high of 7. And as we head through Friday, sun and cloud with a chance of flurries and a high of -6. That is the latest news and weather forecast. And now you can check out newfoundnews.ca for more.